Hi, welcome back. This is just a quick video to show you the update I've been making on the tail of the HK Lancaster. Now before I show you the build sequence, I should point out there is a mistake in the kit. So you can see here that the starboard side has a sort of grid pattern of panel lines, which is the same on the top and below. And then if we go to the port side, you can see the top of the port side has a slightly different pattern with these round access panels on it. And on the other side, it also has the round access panels. So you can see that the two sides are asymmetrical, which is obviously a mistake. I didn't spot this. I think Nigel over at Nigel's Modelling Workbench was the first person to spot this. He actually fixed it. I'm not going to fix it because, to be honest, I'm getting a bit tired of this kit. So I'm just going to go on with the build. So these are the two halves of the vertical component. And the hooks here will be used to attach the rear half, which is the rudder. The rudder is a single piece, and it has a few attachments, vanes and other things that go onto it. Overall, these steps are very simple. That's why this video is so short. It's just two halves for the front part of the vertical component, and then one half for the rudder at the back, and then a few extra small bits to stick on. And here you can see the rudder attached to the front section. And then the horizontal component works in the same way. There's a lower piece that has 3 hooks for holding on the elevator. A second piece that goes on top. And then 2 more pieces that make the elevator itself. They simply go together, and a bit like the rudder, they have a few additional parts. There's a small problem here. You can see the alignment hole isn't quite matched up on the two halves, which is a bit of a pain. And then you can see the vertical going into the horizontal component. And that's the finished tail section. The rudder and the elevator are both movable, although to be honest they're a little bit flimsy, so I'm probably going to glue them in place. I haven't glued it together yet because I want to take it apart to get some paint inside it. And you can see here the tail section has 2 pegs that just fit nicely into the fuselage. Probably I won't glue those in the final model. It'll make it a little bit easier if I ever do need to transport it anywhere. It's a fairly snug fit. Okay, and that's the full video for the tail. It was a quick one because there wasn't really that much to do. I've also made some progress on the interior, which should be coming up in a video soon. So if you want to see some progress, then please subscribe, and thanks for watching.